Hello everyone and welcome to Swing Trading Channel. Let's jump right there and find out what the market did today. Caterpillar came today with a very big disappointing earning and the stock went down like 7%. That's not strange because we already know that the global economy is not doing that great, and Caterpillar is um, is doing a lot of exporting overseas. Plus, doesn't help that the dollar also is going higher. So when they sell stuff overseas, they convert it to dollar. They worth less dollar. So it was expected for their earnings to slow down. The problem is the guidance also was horrible. So what happened today? The stock market moved down today 1.34%. I think it just the market wanted to go down, and just Caterpillar was an excuse. We have been saying over and over, we have been here in this trading range. The top part is around 2060 and the bottom part around 1988 till we get news that either move us up or down. And I think very soon we should get this news, in the next couple of months. I don't think the FOMC minutes or meeting tomorrow is going to say anything different. They're going to be patient, concerned, and whatever they say every time, we will see. But so it's for now, the market is trading in the range. It's not in the upper part of the range, not the lower part. So you cannot short it and you cannot go long. You just have to watch it. Nasdaq again took a big hit today, also down 1.89%. Is still in this also trading range right here, with the top part being 4,751 till 4,563. We're still in that range. We'll see what's going to happen. You don't have to trade the market. There is some stocks that you can make money. You just have to be more patient, more careful. This is not the same as this. The way you were trading here should differ than the way you have been trading here. So let's look at oil. The good news about oil that is not going down. The strange thing is a lot of people are not happy that oil is not moving up. I don't know about you, but I'm happy that gas in my area around $2. I was not happy paying $3 for $3.25 for gas. Now I'm happy that the longer the oil stays in that range, the better it is for average Joe. Traders are not happy because there is no movement, so they are not making money, but everybody else should be happy that oil is around $45. It looks like it's posing right here, and we will see how this is gonna stay. I think it's gonna trade up and down around that range for a while, till either the global economy just go down and oil goes down with it, or the Federal Reserve maybe start easing again, and then oil will move high again. XLI is still the same thing. We are in this range right here. The XLI, of course, it's the industrial. This is what Caterpillar did. Financial, again, as we said yesterday, it is trading in this range. And this is the range you should trade it. I'm still short XLF by puts. Excuse me. And it did good today. Not that much, it's just 1%. But an option 1% move give you 5 to 10% move in your option. It depends how deep in the money or out of the money your option is. Gold, very encouraging. It looks, it wants to go higher. That's here now, our lower, or higher low right here. If you are trading gold through the GLD, I don't even look at GLD because it just gaps, and I don't like to look at a chart that gapping. I don't get that much information from it. But this is very good for gold. It's stabilizing right here, still wants to go higher. 1300 is a very important level. It was a lot of support going back last year for 1300. A lot of people were calling it the bottom. It bounced off 1300 few times last year. Then it went down back in September, and now it's back up at the 1300. As we said, we expect a lot of volatility here around 1300 till the seller get exhausted. Then gold can move higher, or the buyers get exhausted and gold move lower. My bet is that it is gonna go higher. Why? This looks like an inverse head and shoulder for me. That's a head, that's the shoulder, that's the head, that's another shoulder, and we look right here. It broke the head and shoulder pattern, and again, sorry, I just get the right tool right here. This right here is our measured movement. So we move this here. I'm expecting gold to move to the 13, maybe 1340, 1350 level. Then we see what's going to happen from there. But my short term on gold is 1350. That's why GDX, we said look at GDX. It might be, that's it. This is our higher low that we are expecting. It cleared finally the 200-day moving average, and it closed above it. Yeah, I know it did this before here. When was that? That was in January 20th and moved back lower. So this here is resistant, 2322. We need to see GDX stays above the 200-day moving average for 2 more days, and then I will get back into a GDX. Now silver also doing the same story. It's fighting over the 200-day moving average. Gold already passed the 200-day average. Silver is trying to catch up, and I think silver will catch up. Silver always lag a little bit gold, but then it catches up, and when it catches up with a vengeance. So again, this is our support right here in silver. This is our support around 1750. Okay, and we expect it to maybe move higher above the 200-day moving average for a few days, and then silver can move back toward maybe 20 something. So our trade now should be in the GDX or GDXJ. Both of them, move along with gold. Apple, we spoke about it a couple of times. People love Apple. I love Apple as a company in general. The stock, I like it too, but not right here. We said yesterday that, you know what, it's in the top of the range, and the path of least resistance is down, and well and behold, I was lucky and it moved down. I was proved right this time. One day I will be proved wrong, and this is the day I'm gonna change my thesis and start going either long Apple or short Apple from there. But for now, this is our trading range from 105 to 115. $10 move also is not that bad if you are trading options in Apple. This is not the time to buy. This is not the time to sell. If you want to trade the range, so the time to buy right here. If you want to, if you want to be short, this time the short is right here. So, but this is not the time to either be long or short Apple. Skyworks, again today moved right, on the upper Bollinger Band. 81, 84 is the upper part, and it's still closed above it. The volume, yes, it went down, but the volume was not bad. So I'm still in it. I'm still making money in it. So I'm waiting, and my line in the sand is yesterday close. If it moved below this, I will be out. But this is not the time to get in. If you are in, you're already in. If you are out, it's not time to get into Skyworks. Couple of stocks I didn't mention before is energy stock. And why am I looking at energy stocks while oil is going down? Because oil stabilized a little bit. Now the energy companies are doing something good. They are putting lower highs. They are putting lower highs, and that's encouraging. That's a low, that's a higher low, and this downtrend, actually we can even extend this all the way to here. This downtrend is broken, and now it's moving higher. Don't forget there is a lot of resistance at this level. A lot of people who bought here, they will sell when it comes to here, but that's 88. This is $6 move, not bad. So I'm gonna watch here and see what's gonna happen. If it's pulled back a little bit and stabilized, or even maybe here, it depends what the market is gonna do tomorrow and the day after. I might get in and look for a target for 87 or so. Another energy company, also the chart looks good. I'm sorry about that. Is DVN Energy. Also is the chart energy stock, but it's not doing the same as oil. You know, low, higher low, then higher low, and it moved above the 50. Now the next target is the 200-day moving average. That's around $4 move. Not bad. We'll see how they're gonna act in the next couple of days. And both of them, Anadarko and DVN Energy, are two stocks that they might be worth looking at. Another companies or another sector that benefit from low oil is fertilizers company, Mosaic and Potash and AGN, and this is the weekly or the daily. That's the weekly chart of Mosaic, and as you see here, it has been going lower for a few months. It has moved out. The 50 is still below the 200-day moving average. Usually, I do not like to trade the stocks below the 200-day moving average, but that's another type of trading. Try to catch a bottom. I'm not. Do you see where the bottom is? I waited all the way till it proved that it is doing something that's worth looking at. So now this is a band of resistance right here, and it's right in it. So we will see, wait and see what this is gonna do. If it cleared that level, then your next target is all the way up here, and that's not bad. From $50 to $60 move is not a bad range. You have to have those stocks in your watch list and look at them for your next opportunity. A lot of people don't know what to buy right now, and the reason they don't know what to buy right now because they never been looking at chart that might do something. They always want to look at charts that they move right. They are moving right now. The problem is you look at them, they already moved, so you're already too late. So you want to be early. You have to be looking at them, just not doing anything, just not trading them, because you bought, let's say you market open today and you have a couple of stocks in your portfolio. What are you going to do the whole day? Just watch the level 2 screen tick by tick, see what your stock is doing, how much sense you made in this last half an hour? No, you do something else. You look at them, and when they move, set alerts, like an alert right here at 5070. So when it moves above 5070, you really take a look at it. So that's the weekly chart of it, and the daily chart, they look very very good. It gapped up and it moved up, then it moved down a little bit, and now it's moving higher again. The volume, however, is not that great in this move higher in the last 2 days, but that's why we wait a look and see when we can get back at them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and have a good evening.